Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 43, copy list with a random pointer. So this is a very interesting question and interesting because you first need to understand what this question is about trying to say. Okay, so if you want you can read this question on the left hand side. Basically this question is saying you are given an linked list and you just need to recreate the linked list and return the head pointer. But challenging part is every like node in the linked list has two pointers associated with it, the next pointer and a random pointer which also given in the main array. But it's still like it's a little bit challenging question. So this is the code, and sorry for the background disturbance if it's coming. Anyways, so this is the code, and yeah, time and space complexity also. So okay, obviously this is time and space complexity. So thank you for watching this video.